In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Bluetooth speaker to Google Meet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and connect any sort of Bluetooth speaker, soundbar, or headphones that you have to Google Meet. This process will allow you to set up your Bluetooth speaker, soundbar, or headphones on PC or mobile. All that you have to do is go into these settings. So if you are on PC using Google Meet through a web browser, it's important that you give it permissions to use your microphone and camera. So always allow while visiting the site or allow this time, it doesn't matter. Once it is allowed, you will be able to access the settings either inside of a call or before you join, and in the audio category, you will be able to set up your microphone and speaker. So all that you have to do is choose your Bluetooth speaker from the list. So if you still need to connect your speaker, you can go over to the devices on your PC, enable Bluetooth, and choose the option to add a new Bluetooth device. Most of them will be connected by pressing a button on the device or the remote until they go into Bluetooth pairing mode, and afterwards you will be able to select your speaker from the list here before joining a call on Google Meet. So once it is selected, you will be good to go. Make sure to do the same thing with a microphone. And if you are doing this process on mobile, you will also find the options to select the input device, which is your microphone, and the output device, which should be the speakers. This will work for any Bluetooth device that you can connect to your PC or a mobile device. You simply have to go into these settings and then select it from the list. Once changed, everyone will be able to hear you through the new microphone that you selected, and of course, you will be able to listen to everyone through the speakers that you selected from the list. If they don't appear, it means that they aren't being detected by your device, so you can try reconnecting them. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Bluetooth speaker to Google Meet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.